The next concept is evolution should not be equated with progress. Evolution should not be equated with progress. Many students get confused with this topic. Okay. Evolution is different from progress. It is not progress. Why? Why it is not progress? Suppose a question is asked in the examination. Okay. Evolution should not be equated with progress. Justify. If this question comes, what to write? I'll explain you what it is. First of all, what is progress? Progress means what? Progress means improvement. Something improved. And whenever progress takes place, the older version will not remain there. Only the new version. That is progress. Simple example. Say there is a rough road. Mud road is there. Okay. And if mud road is removed and a cement road is made, this is progress. This is progress. Now there will not be mud road, only cement road. One more example. In olden days, we were using black and white TV. Today we are using color TV. Now we are not using that black and white TV. Okay. Now it is replaced by color TV. Okay. So this is progress. Whereas evolution is not progress. It is not progress. It is not improvement. It looks as if it is improvement. Sometimes we think, okay, bacteria to human being, it's improvement. No, it's not improvement. Okay. Let me explain you with one or two example. First one you should remember, whenever formation of new species take place, take place, it's not compulsory that already existing species will get eliminated. It's not that one species, say for example A species will get eliminated and B species will emerge. It's not like that. It's not like that. Okay, species, the formation of new species, that is evolution, may take place parallelly. It may take place parallelly. It is not that one species replaced or eliminated and one more species come there. If it happens so, then you could have called it as progress. That is one example. One more example we can give. See, just I'll rub this. Human being, ourselves. Human being. Okay. Chimpanzee. Human being and chimpanzee. Okay. Now, some people think that human beings, that is ourselves, man is evolved from chimpanzee. Man is evolved from chimpanzee. No, actually human being and chimpanzee, both of them evolved from another common ancestor. Both of our ancestor was common. Okay, and that, okay, evolved into two different species. Our ancestors were common, but during the course of evolution, one group developed into chimpanzee, another group into human being. So you can't call this as progress. It is not at all progress. Okay. Again, one example I'll give you. Now, say bacteria. Slowly evolved into today's form. Today the most developed, we call ourselves as the most intelligent, most developed, most complicated, okay, human being, alright, man. Okay, it doesn't mean that it is progress. It doesn't mean that they were of inferior, okay, and man is very superior, very strong. No, we should not consider that. You may ask, why not? See, bacteria, though they are simple, their structure is very simple, they can live in very harsh condition like in hot spring. They can live in very cold condition, okay, in icy area, whereas human being cannot. Human being cannot. Now you cannot compare that evolution as it is more progressed or more improved and it is less improved. You cannot compare like this. Okay, so these three examples shows us that evolution should not be equated with progress. Both the concepts are entirely different. Evolution is different, progress is different. Thank you.